All right. We're going to do some work on this Ford F-150. So if you guys are familiar with the F-150s, they have a problem with the body control modules. And sometimes what that does is doesn't give you a brake light on either side, and you also lose your turn signal. So either that side or that side, it doesn't really matter. This is the body control module right here. So what you have to do to correct that is to replace the body control module. But when you replace the body control module, you have to have it reprogrammed to the truck. So if you're not if you don't have the guy already at your house or wherever you're replacing this body control module, you might want to reconsider. Have the guy ready, or put that in at the dealership if you're going to have the dealership reprogram the TCM or the body control module to the PCM. Because they need to talk to each other, and you'll get a no start situation, but your turn signal and brake light will work. So anyway, what I'm going to do here is I bought one of these, and I cut off the other end of this so that I can hook that up, because I noticed that when I have a trailer on this, I get a turn signal and brake light on the trailer, but I don't get my turn signal and brake light here at this. All I get is your running lights over here, but no brake light, no turn signal. And that has, because it's not going through the body control module. But I don't want to put that in because it's just more money, and this thing's got a lot of miles on it. It's probably not going to last too long. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'll plug this in to the 4-pin trailer plug, and then I'll have an extra one when I need to do the trailer, but I'm going to hardwire this one in to these. Now, I bought these from Amazon, of course, so all this stuff is not that expensive. Then I'll hardwire these in, so I'll have tail lights and turn signals going to be running through this over here, and then I'll just leave those other ones dangling in the behind here. We'll just leave those dangling in. So what I'll do is I'll run a wire underneath of there, come through there, everything's going to be golden. Okay, pony boy, let's get it going. So I got some wire here. Unfortunately, this pack of wire does not have a brown wire. It's got the green, it's got the yeller, got the white. So we're gonna probably use black. Maybe I'll use red for the because I think the brown is the running lights. No, we use the blue. So oh, here we go. Gotta go this way. Nice. So this kit comes with almost everything you need. Almost. So there's 6. Okay, yeah, that worked. Maybe a little more. So when I'm done, I'm going to squirt some of this blue RTV in on these ends so it don't get wet. All right, how much are we going to need? It's down there somewhere, and then it needs to go up here somewhere, so we'll give it that much. Okay, all right, so these plugs are just going to go in behind here. I'm going to put 2 new plugs on it 2 of those on it. So let's take this off with these 2 nuts or bolts, whatever, right here. Screws, and it comes straight forward. That comes out, and that comes out. And just pull the reverse light out. Set that aside. Okay. So we got to get down through there. So this is going to go up through there. I don't want to hook these up to it yet because I don't think there's enough space in there. Can you guys see in there? Well, I think there is enough space for these, so we'll go ahead and connect these up. Okay, but we need to figure out which is which on these. So that's why we brought this. Okay. I am going to just turn the lights on. All I need is parking lights. Okay. We'll hold this here and see which is the parking light. Black, I'm assuming, is going to be ground. Okay, we got voltage there. We got no voltage there. Okay, so it's the middle one, and the middle one is yellow. So yellow is our running light. Yellow running light. Now, we need to plug this in. See which one of these is our running light. I'll have to move all that. Okay. All right, let's plug this in. Alright, let's see which is which. Okay, white is ground. Okay, so brown is our running light, which is this one here. So this blue is going to go to yellow here. Okay. Plug this in. We should have running lights, but we do not. Okay, so what we'll do try this again. White is ground. Am I getting 12 volts here? So brown is giving me 12 volts. Getting nothing from yellow and nothing from green. Okay, so these two are our right and left turns. This is our running light and there's our ground. So this one should be lighting this up. Oh, that's right, it ain't gonna light it up without a ground. So let's touch the ground. Oop, there it goes. Okay. Now, we are going to use black as a ground. All right, how much are we going to need? Okay. Alright, so now we have to figure out which one of these is blinking. Which is blinking, which is not blinking. I think I am not going to use that for test blinker. All right, we'll use a test light. Test light. There we go. That one should still be on. Okay, green is blinker. Brown is running. Okay, so green is the right blinker, which is the one we're having a problem with. Okay. Black wire touches red, and you have a fire. Let's make leaders, because it's got to go from one to the other so that both work. Oh boy. There's the green. There's a yellow. And a black. Why is that stuck in there? Black, yellow. One we did not squeeze yet. Okay, so the green was what? Our turn signal, right? And our turn signal here was Red. Black. Good. And left. Right. And yellow. Those blues are going to yellow. Yeah, yellow are close to that, correct. Alright. That off. And if I did this right, there it is. Okay. Ooh, take my tray. You better move. Okay. Green, black. Here's what we do. Okay, let's go turn the turn signal on. And there it is. So, this is going to be hot. No, not really. There we go. So now we're going to have our turn signals and our brake lights. Hey. That's right. What's going on here? This one is not clicking together correctly. Oh, these cheap things. Come on, really? So, I am going to put my foot on the brake. Brake lights, cool. Okay, so let's get these lined up. Alright, so somehow we get it back here, maybe we zip tie it to that, we come up over the body there, and then right up through those holes right there. Or we can go through the body right there where the other wire is going through. Yeah, that's what we'll do. That's what Alright, let's see how much footage we can get with this thing strapped to my head. Okay, of course, it broke. Just pushing on it, making it do what it's supposed to do. All right, these will go into the glove compartment. And, all right, I think what I'll do, just for GP, like we used to say, let's just try and keep the big stuff out, I guess. All right, you go up here. Right. Okay, now wrap around my arm. All right, we're gonna get these through here. Let's see. Just let something around together. Okay, so it's not going through here. Come on. What do you think? Now these gotta get pushed up through here. All right. Okay. Look at that cheap shit. That just annoys me. You know I didn't pay much for it, but it still should work and not break. Yeah, they just don't lock. All right, Amazon, thank you for this garbage that you're allowing somebody to sell on your website. All right, let's see how we can fix that. Okay. Now, maybe a little thing. almost done. We are almost done. Maybe a couple of zip ties down below. Okay. Let's see, 3 zip ties maybe? I don't know. Okay. I'm gonna zip tie this one up here. And then this one for regular trailer use. All right, to recap, because of the bad body module, the brake light and turn signal did not work on this side. So I bought a double pigtail, cut off one end, hardwired it to new plugs for the F-150 taillight system, wired them in, ran the wires over there. So now we still have trailer capability, but we're running that running light and brake light and turn signal off of the 4-pin. So again, see, now we have turn signal over here. And since my daughter's going to be driving the truck, I wanted that to work. And I'm sure that the brake lights work too. If the turn signals do, the brake lights do, for the most part. All right. Cool. If you like that little hack of mine, please like and subscribe. F-150 body module hack. Bypass. See ya.